CS6 videos by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can fade type using a gradient. Now you can of course use smart objects and gradients to create some really interesting sort of thing, but you can also do it with a single gradient as well. So first thing to do is obviously a layer, so just go over to, see it's a layer there, see it over in the layers, so layer and a layer start, gradient overlay. So now you've got a fade there. Now you might actually want, that's perfectly reasonable, it's white to black, perfectly reasonable, but if you want transparency, just go up to here, click that and select that one, foreground to transparent. Now you can see you've got transparency. If you actually haven't got that gradient already, you can actually just go over there and just select that one, opacity 100% and opacity 0%. That's all that is. So click OK. Now you can't see any fade there, so what you need to do is go to blending options and set the fill opacity to 0%. Click OK. Right, once you've actually done that, that might be fine. But say if you want to fade from the bottom as well, you can actually just go there again, gradient overlay, just click on that gradient and just go to the top part there and just move that over to about 50%. You of course can move it any other position and go over that side and set the opacity to 0%. So now you actually see you've got a gradient. You can actually obviously move it. Oops, don't want that one. Click OK. And of course you can move that up and down. You can actually fade it. Obviously you can change the angle. Also of course you can actually use many obviously different combinations of maybe diamond to actually get fade from different angles. But I say probably smart objects is probably better if you actually want to more control different angles. You can actually create more interesting combinations. Obviously we've got lots of different gradients. You can actually make much more interesting transparencies. So anyway, there's a quick way of and obviously you can just change that again, so I can actually add maybe there, set that to 100%, 0%, and again click there and that 100%, so you can create interesting and unusual fades. Click OK. Now if you actually want to see that it's actually faded, I can actually create quick, select gradient there, and you can actually see the fade there. Okay, hope you found